Hello everyone, welcome back to Glitch Sip. In this video, I want to explain how Anti-XRay works in Minecraft 1.21 and above, and why many so-called Anti-XRay bypasses you see online usually don't actually work on real servers. First, let's understand what Anti-XRay really is. Anti-XRay is a server-side protection system used by most multiplayer servers. Its main goal is to prevent players from using X-ray resource packs or cheats to easily find ores like diamonds, ancient debris, or emeralds. The important thing to understand is this: Anti-XRay does not detect cheats. Instead, it modifies how blocks are sent to the player. When you are underground, the server hides valuable ores by replacing them visually with normal blocks like stone or deep slate. The real block only gets revealed when it is exposed naturally, for example after mining surrounding blocks. This means that from the player's point of view, there is no information to bypass. The ore simply does not exist on your client until the server decides to show it. In Minecraft 1.21+, Anti-XRay has become even stronger. Servers can randomize block data, delay ore updates, and completely remove predictable patterns. That's why many old tricks people talk about no longer work. So, why do people claim they can bypass Anti-XRay? Most of the time, it's one of three things. The server has Anti-XRay disabled, the server is poorly configured, or the video is recorded on single-player or a private server. On properly configured servers, there is no reliable client-side method to bypass Anti-XRay because everything is controlled by the server itself. That's why the only real way to find ores consistently is still branch mining, cave exploration, and using legitimate game mechanics. And that's the truth behind Anti-XRay in Minecraft 1.21 and newer versions. If this explanation helped you understand how it really works, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to Glitch Sip, and turn on notifications for more Minecraft tips and explanations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.